was a very sad case. A couple that was having their first baby, and unfortunately, due to errors made during the labor and delivery by the healthcare providers at a major Chicago area hospital, their baby died at 10 hours of life.
So my son passed away from medical neglect due to a shoulder dystocia, November 17th of 2022.
I was devastated when it happened. You know, it's something that nobody should ever have to go through.
We were referred by a family member. She had an accident and then it resulted with a lawsuit, and she referred us to Inc. and Law, who then referred us to Jeff.
I wanted to assure them that we had the requisite experience and knowledge and resources to get them answers. I learned about some of the details of the labor and decisions that were made by the healthcare providers, and it raised a lot of red flags for me, having handled a lot of labor and delivery cases.
He answered his phone call for anything that we had, even on times where he was out of town, for his own personal reasons and for his family.
Answering any time of the day, even my randomest questions, I thought that was amazing.
You, Francisco, and then Mariah.
We can't reverse time. We could not get this baby back. We could not give them this child, but the significant result allowed them to realize that this was a situation where the healthcare providers, while not admitting fault in any legal document, the amount of proceeds that were being paid, would improve the quality of their lives and help them go forward, but also to make sure that, in fact, there was some acknowledgement that things absolutely should have been done differently.
I wouldn't expect anybody to go through it, but you know, sometimes certain things happen, and working with Jeff was probably the best thing to help everything go better.
I like that he stood up for my son when my son was no longer here anymore. He gave, in a sense, my son a voice. I don't have my baby back, but I know that he gave us justice in a way. Somebody or some place was held accountable for what happened.